Alright guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of the RV pad. I think I'm pretty well complete. I'll continue some more as we go, but we've got the RV up there and we literally just moved 15 tons of gravel, so it actually worked out really well. All of this is now completed with gravel. So come back here, get a good look over here. All of it is nice and done. So basically we just filled up everything. We had a little soft spot with a little bit of water buildup back there, so we built it up higher. It's like 7 inches back here. And then also we did our walkway. So now we can come out of the house, walk down the walkway and come into here. And we can still pull the cars out if we want. This one we haven't ran in a while, but if we really want, we can pull it out. We can pull it out, and then we've got more cars in there, so it's pretty full. But yeah, it came out pretty good. So long story short, we just got the soil all cleaned up. We removed all these crazy trees and things. After the soil was all done, then we laid fabric. We did work this and get this level here. And then after this was level, we pulled it out, laid the fabric, leveled that, laid the fabric, and then we placed our wood. We used a string level, if you didn't see part 1. And with the string level, we just made sure it was all level all the way across. Then we leveled that. And then after that we cut those. I did do a slight angle over here because I had to go higher back here because the soil, so I just cut it at a 45 and mated it up against the concrete. But yeah, so we know we have a lot more back there. We just did that because we knew it was softer, so it should harden up and absorb the moisture a lot more. But we put the wood in. When we did the wood, we did 2 on this side and 1 over there. And first thing we did was we lagged it together. We used lag bolts, and they were like 7-inch lag bolts, so they went through both pieces of wood. And we did those every 2 feet. And then we cut rebar. We put the rebar 18 inches deep. Drilled the holes, hammered those in, and those are every 2 foot as well. So that's all the way across, and that adds support so you know that it's nice and sturdy. But anyways, I mean, it's really not that hard. This RV pad should be perfect for what we need. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. If this helped you, let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate all the feedback. But long story short, should be good for us. So the gravel, just so you know, it was $28 a ton. It's 3/4 clean is what it was called. Some places call it like 57, number 57 gravel, but I learned that it was called 3/4 clean locally, and I'm in Colorado. So $28 a ton. We paid with tax $520 for 15 tons, so $500, and we got all this gravel. But yeah, I'll update you with more videos once we get the RV here and get it leveled, and we'll let you kind of do a walk around and check it out. But we're gonna probably rototill this and put some grass in and just make it to where it's not mud. And then we've got the chickens over there too, so. But anyway, it's coming along. So walk over here, let you see it from this angle. So another thing too is when we put these in, we bought these, they were like $1 or $2. Screwed them in. We kind of just used that to kind of bond them together, and then I drilled at an angle and put the screw in there. So I got 2 here, and then I got 2 on the side over there. But I just kind of made it all that together, and then that's rebarred in as well. But yeah, if this helped you or you have questions, make sure you let me know. Like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you're working on. And other than that, make sure you subscribe for more. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.